House in Ranholas by Vasco Lima Mayor in Sintra, Portugal. Located in Serra de Sintra, this house is naturally immersed in the mystical atmosphere that characterizes this area. The contrast between the white walls and the green of the surrounding nature affirms Ranholas House in the landscape. The smooth concrete on the pavement also highlights the white plaster. Wooden window frames and the tiled roof are the core materials that give identity to this project. From the start, the idea was to create a true family house. This is now a place where history and tradition reinvent themselves to live side by side with contemporaneity. Inside, you can breathe the comfort of a home, but the mountainous exterior seen through the windows is also an active protagonist on a day-to-day basis. The architecture of this project is, therefore, designed to merge these two dimensions into one, creating a house where the ambiguity between withdrawal and expansion is fully and deeply experienced.